Your RAG pipeline might already be dead. You just don't know it yet. OpenAI quietly shipped something called Dreaming v3. No keynote, no big launch event, just a line in the changelog that most people scrolled right past. But that one line could wipe out an entire industry of vector databases, embedding models, and retrieval code that companies spent millions building. Here's what it actually does. After you close a chat, ChatGPT doesn't just forget you. It goes to work in the background. It reads the whole conversation again. It pulls out your preferences, your constraints, the projects you keep coming back to. Then it writes that down into a living memory. Not a flat list of saved facts, a synthesis, a condensed picture of who you are and what you're building. They call it the synthesis loop, and it runs while you're gone, so it costs you zero waiting time. Stick around, because in about a minute, I'll show you the exact moment classic RAG breaks down, and Dreaming v3 walks right through it. Let's back up. What even is RAG? RAG means Retrieval Augmented Generation, the old way to give an AI memory. You take documents, you chop them into chunks, you turn each chunk into numbers called embeddings. You store those numbers in a vector database. Then, every single time the user asks something, you search that database, grab the closest chunks, and stuff them into the prompt. It works. It powered almost every AI app for the last 3 years. But it's clumsy. You're researching the same data over and over. Every question triggers a fresh lookup. That burns compute, adds delay, and the AI still grabs the wrong chunk half the time. Dreaming v3 flips the whole thing. Instead of searching at question time, it already condensed your important stuff ahead of time. The memory is pre-chewed, ready, sitting there. OpenAI's own numbers say this cuts memory retrieval compute by roughly 5 times. 5 times cheaper to remember you. Here's the open loop I promised. Watch what happens with a long, messy project. Old RAG. You ask about your app from 2 months ago. The database returns 10 chunks. 3 are relevant, 7 are noise. The model gets confused. Dreaming v3. It already knows your app. It synthesized that context after every chat. No noisy search, it just remembers. So is RAG finished? Not completely. And this is where builders mess up. RAG still wins when you have huge, fresh, factual data. Legal documents, live inventory, medical records, stuff that changes by the hour. You can't pre-synthesize a million PDFs that update constantly. Retrieval still rules there. But for personal context, preferences, ongoing work, the stuff that makes an assistant feel like it knows you, that's where Dreaming v3 crushes the old stack. Let me show you the architecture, because this is the part that matters. 4 pieces: storage, retrieval, condensation, and the loop that ties them together. Storage holds the synthesized memory. Small, tight. Not raw chunks, but meaning. Retrieval pulls the right slice into your next prompt, instantly, because it's already organized by topic. Condensation is the magic. After each chat, it compresses new info and merges it with what's already known. Old details fade, important ones stay sharp. And the loop runs all of this in the background, asynchronously, so you never feel it happening. Now here's why this reshapes how you build agents. For years, prompt engineering meant cramming context into every request, stuffing the window, praying it fit. With persistent memory, you stop shoveling context. The model already carries it. Your prompts get shorter, cleaner, cheaper. Agents stop being goldfish that reset every session. They become something that grows with the user over weeks and months. That changes everything about how you design them. So what should you actually do today, June 2026? If you're building a personal assistant, a coach, a companion, a long-term tool, start moving towards synthesized memory now. Boilerplate RAG for personal context is on borrowed time. If you're handling massive, fast-changing, factual databases, keep RAG. It's not going anywhere for that job. The smart builders won't pick one. They'll run both. Synthesized memory for who the user is. Retrieval for what the world knows right now. That hybrid is the real future, and the people who figure it out first are about to leave everyone else behind. Dreaming v3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a quiet warning shot to an entire way of building AI. The boilerplate era is ending. The memory era just started. Thank you.